Alright, hello and welcome to PMPLounge.com. As you can see, I'm outdoors right now and it's quite windy. It is supposed to rain soon, but just wanted to kind of put this video out. Received a testimonial on one of our videos from somebody by the name it's Fatih, and they say, I cracked the PMP, bro. All your videos and guidelines have helped me a lot. You develop the confidence on relying on PMBOK 5 rather than hitting other books multiple times. Well, that's true. I always say that PMBOK guide itself is good enough to clear the PMP exam. If you want to take reference, of course, feel free to take reference from Rita and Head First and Eileen and whatnot. But PMBOK guide is good enough. And the reason that I say so is because the very existence of PMBOK is because of the PMP exam, right? PMBOK is written and published by PMI, the Project Management Institute. And the PMP exam is again owned by PMI, the Project Management Institute. The very reason PMBOK exists is because there is an exam that PMI came up with and called that certification the PMP. So I always say, always say to everyone and suggest everyone that they should read PMBOK multiple times, and of course take reference from books like Rita if you want to. But PMBOK should be good enough. Multiple readings of PMBOK should be good enough to clear your PMP exam. And then he continues that I took Rita Eileen at first for reference as needed, which nobody stated except you. One of my friends who studied only Rita couldn't clear it. Once again, thank you so much. All the best for your future endeavors, right? So, yeah, I mean, if you read just Rita, again, I'd say it's not impossible to clear PMP exam if you just read Rita, right? To each its own. But like I said, I suggest PMBOK to everyone. Although you read PMBOK 5, but you must be aware that PMBOK 5 is no longer applicable now. PMBOK 6 is out, and that is applicable. The PMP exam will be based on that. So that's that. Glad to know that somebody was able to clear PMP, and the videos on PMPLounge.com helped them do it. Right, all the best. So anyone who have cleared the PMP exam, let us know, comment. And I'm pretty happy that our videos were able to kind of deliver and somebody was able to clear the PMP exam. Alright, that's all I had. Thanks. Bye.